I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Pick one already!
I'm stepping on my toes, but I don't stop.
What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you know? Why aren't you scared of me? Why do you care for me? When we all fall asleep, where do we?
This emoji is my current mood. This emoji is my gender. This one is my favorite color. This one is my favorite animal. This one's how many friends I have. This one is my favorite food. And this one is my relationship status.
Maybe I'll be Tracer. One about Widowmaker. I'll be Bastion. You're Rental Winston. I guess I'll be Genshi. Then I choose my creed.
Hello?
Bitches! I'm good, I believe I got it.
I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap. Somebody save your soul, cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control.
Who can make the best emoji face? Here we go.
You probably think that you are better now. You only say that 'cause I'm not around, you know.
Flor que da fulgor con tu brillo fiel, mueve el tiempo atrás, volviendo a lo que fue.
Hate me, say what you want about me, but all the boys and all the girls are begging to if you're seeking me.
Gabri, metti la cintura. Sì, sì, ce l'ho, mamma. La sicurezza stradale prima di tutto. Oh no! Oh no! Dico, oh no! Mamma! 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 Ti addormenti sempre! Mamma, la curva! Mamma! Oh!
This is America. What? America? This is Poland, baby.
Will you please go on a date with me?
First of all, second of all, ugh, and third of all, oh wait, I already did that.
I really gotta hold on.
No, 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 no.
This is America. No! This is Patrick!
All that I can say was all that I can say was if I was you, I'd wanna be me too.
I'm joy. This is sadness. That's anger. This is disgust. And that's fear.
Thank you in advance. I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. So I want a man.
Who's that sexy thing I see over there? That's me, standing in the mirror.
Okay, ready?
sorry, this is Brazil, baby.
I'm gonna tell you a joke. Okay, knock knock. Hey. Are you fucking stupid?
Papoy. Eh? Papoy? Akala na papoy? No. Papoy. Ah! Papoy!
What are you supposed to be?
A milkman.
A what?
A milkman?
So, like a man made of milk?
That's just ridiculous.
You look ridiculous.
It's an honest job. What are you even doing here? You're not a superhero.
Hey! I saved the day in that one movie.
Hold on just a second there, sweet potato. You can't use Suicide Squad as a reference point. That's like the worst movie ever. I'd rather watch Professor X try to run a marathon without his Pimp My Ride wheelchair than watch that movie again. And I'm taking this.
No one wants your opinion. Fuck you from your very, very mouth. 'Cause we hate what you do, and we hate. Go home alone again, it's the one to number play. Wind up.
This is where you make